Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where the best tech meets real-world use. If you're someone who's constantly on the move and needs reliable power for everything from your phone to your laptop, then the Omni 20 Plus Professional Premium Portable Power Bank might just be the powerhouse you've been searching for. Let's start with the essentials. This is no ordinary battery bank. Packing a 20,000 mAh/71 Wh capacity, the Omni 20 Plus is designed to charge everything: phones, tablets, DSLR cameras, drones, even full-sized laptops, all from one compact, travel-friendly device. It's a true universal power solution. One standout feature? The built-in AC outlet. This means you can plug in anything with a standard wall plug. Think MacBooks, CPAP machines, game consoles, or even portable fans. It's a game changer, especially if you're working remotely or traveling where outlets are scarce. The Omni 20 Plus also includes USB-C PD, 60W, for fast laptop charging, and QC 3.0 USB-A ports for rapid phone charging. It can output power to multiple devices at once, so you can be juicing up your laptop, tablet, and camera gear, all at the same time. The built-in OLED screen gives you live feedback on wattage in and out, temperature, battery percentage, and charge time estimates. That kind of insight and control is rare in portable chargers and puts Omni 20 Plus firmly in the professional-grade territory. Another huge win? Pass-through charging. This allows you to recharge the power bank while simultaneously charging your devices. It's super efficient and ideal for setups where you want to leave everything plugged in overnight and wake up fully charged. Despite all this power, it's compact enough to be TSA compliant and airline friendly, fitting easily in backpacks and travel bags. It's also surprisingly lightweight for a unit that can handle so much. If you're a photographer, digital nomad, traveling entrepreneur, or just want to be fully prepared in emergencies, this device delivers robust, reliable energy wherever you go. So if you're ready to ditch power anxiety and never search for a wall outlet again, the Omni 20 Plus is one of the smartest investments you can make. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe for more no-fluff gadget reviews, and check the link in the description to grab yours today.